We just had some nasty winds come through here, dropping some rain, but wow, those winds were brutal. These sunflowers you see right here, they were almost laying sideways like that. Yeah. As soon as it lets up, well, we're actually in the middle of a tornado warning until 4:30. Currently, I think it's about 4:05. I'm gonna go check out the neighborhood when this is all done, but I want to stay close to my basement in case I have to run. Listen to the thunder. Oh, by the way, we're without power too. That like happened almost at the first wind gust. I was in the living room. My son says, check outside, and then boom, the power was out. Yeah, it looks like the wind is gone, but hey, if anything changes, I saw some lightning over here. We're in the middle of an electrical storm. So yeah, if anything changes, I'll fire the camera back up. Got a hummingbird in the yard. He's over there munching on that red flower. There he is. You see him? He's left. He looked no bigger than an insect. Well, this is the aftermath of the storm. See that tree down there? I may not get run over, but man, there's a lot of trees down. There was not a lot of rain to come with this storm. I mean, it rained. My pumpkins got rain. Good, because I didn't have to water them, because that's a big job, twice daily most of the time. But yeah, no, this was a lot of wind. And surprisingly, things that I thought would be destroyed, like sunflowers, not important. You know, tomato plants, I thought they were done, you know, not important. They were all laying on their side yesterday, but today they reached for the sun, and they're fine. But these trees didn't fare so well. But you know what? It's thanks to these trees that probably broke a lot of this wind. You know, trees have their place. More trees down over there. Smaller branches. There's some tape over there. There's probably an uprooted tree. We'll go over there and have a look. Yeah, I must say this is probably the worst windstorm I can recall here in my entire life. And I'm 51. Another one, tree down over there. Oh yeah, another big branch right there. But everybody out today, everybody's enjoying themselves. Probably curiosity. Look at that tree. That's an old tree. It just got rocked. Look at this thing. Wow. Look at that thing. Thing is massive.
Our kids did this one at the storm.
You believe this destruction? Well, you know, I'm looking inside this tree. It was not doing well anyway. It's dead. That's why it gave way. This tree was eaten up by carpenter ants. That's why it gave way.
I will help grab Sophia. Come on, Sophia. We're gonna
That's telltale signs of carpenter ants eating it.
Sabo, sit down.
And you can see them over there right now. Yeah, their home has been disrupted. Look at that split there. This is amazing. Look at this. You see all of that damage there?
Yeah.
That's carpenter ants. You can see them wandering around now.
They're eating.
They just ate it. That's why it was so weak.
You can totally tell that the fresh
Yep.
and the good wood
Yeah.
are not as bad. Wood.
Well, the thing is, wow.
Boy, these guys are going to be busy for a while.
Yeah. Look at this thing.
Look at that thing.
This thing's got to be a 70-year-old tree.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Wow. Glad no one was here. Wow. So there is a lot of trees here that are definitely going to have to come down because, and wow, everywhere I look, devastation. But this complete roof is gone here. Have a look. You can see right there. Looks like the city crews have been out here already. What? We're gonna walk back over that way, and I can see all kinds of fresh bark. You can see lots of carnage over there too. This is just a park we're walking in. All over the neighborhoods in this city, this is like this. And I'm sure in some areas it's worse than this, in other areas maybe not so bad. So it is very uncommon for us to get a tornado in this city. I can't remember what they said, but I think it was over 100 years ago that we got one. So to get one, that must have been a doozy of a weather system that came through. So yeah.
I saw a tree. Wait, those, you know, the outdoor. And there was this one red sheep. Like,
Funny.
The branches went like this. It was like this close to the car, but it didn't hit it.
You were fine. Right in this area. Right along this, where we are standing right now. You don't remember that, do you? Yeah. And then we had one in Nottingham. The whole thing came out of the earth.
He's showing off his colors. Look at that. You better not sit around there too long, butterfly. The flies will eat you. They're nothing but rats with wings. Or cockroaches with wings. Another tree down. Another large branch from something.
That's from
Maybe from there, yeah. Let's go this way.
You don't mind putting your branches in the road when you see all these heavy.
Wow. Yeah, a tree that's mangled over there.
Wow. Thank God I cut that one down.
Thank God and Greyhound she's gone. Just devastation all the way down the street. Don't have a lot of traffic coming down the street, so we're walking in the middle of the street. But these streets right now are going to be a lot airier and a lot less shady after yesterday's storm. And looks like this guy lost a window because, hold on, right there. Everywhere you go. Now this is the edge of the park, right there. Yeah, lots of devastation. Yeah, good luck with that, Muscles. Come on, Hercules. You got it, Hercules. So here's one that's going to have to come down. This is our street. It's not my house, not my apartment building. I don't live in an apartment. But look at that. It's literally ripped up the sidewalk. That one's going to have to come down.
It's leaning on
Oh, yeah, I see it's up,
right?
up there. It squashed the gutter. God only knows what other damage it's done to the eave, but... Well, I just wanted to take you around our neighborhood. This is just a small portion of the city that was actually impacted by this thing, and yeah, so hey, thanks for watching my videos.